Dear friends, now in this question we are given some of the English alphabets. They have said some of the English alphabets are fascinating symmetrical structures which capital letters just have one line of symmetry like E. Which capital letters have a rotational symmetry of order 2 like I. By attempting to think on such lines, you will be able to fill the following table. So, we have to fill the table in which we are given alphabet letters, line symmetry, number of lines of symmetry, rotational symmetry and order of rotational symmetry which we have to write regarding certain alphabets. And first alphabet is, first alphabet letter is Z. So, let us see Z. Now see, if Z is, we should try to keep the mirror vertical or keep the mirror horizontal. You will see that we don't get the mirror images. So, it does not have line symmetry, no line symmetry. So, number of lines of symmetry, we will see number of lines of symmetry are 0. But, if you rotate this Z by 180 degrees, that is, if this point comes here, this point will go here, you will notice that rotational symmetry it does have. So every letter has a rotational symmetry. So this Z does have a rotational symmetry, and order of rotational symmetry is 2 and angle of rotational symmetry is 180 degrees. Now if you see the next alphabet is S. Again in this case you draw like this or like this, you will see no line symmetry. So number of lines of symmetry are 0 and rotational symmetry, again it does have a rotational symmetry. Every alphabet does have a rotational symmetry. Please note, if you rotate by 180 degrees, so angle of rotation is 180 degrees, and if you rotate it, you will get 2 times. So order of rotational symmetry is 2 times. Next alphabet is H. In this case, you will notice H. If you draw the line of symmetry like this, then also you will see both the sections are same. So they are the mirror images of each other. Or if you keep the mirror vertical at the center, you will still see that they are the mirror images. So it does have line symmetry, and number of lines of symmetry are 2. Rotational symmetry is S. Again notice it does have rotational symmetry and it has 180 degrees rotational symmetry. So here order of rotational symmetry is 2. So if you take the alphabet, next alphabet is O. O, you will see that it does have infinite number of lines can be drawn. So it does have line symmetry, because if you draw anyhow, you will see the mirror image of each other. So here number of lines of symmetry are infinite. And rotational symmetry, every letter does have, and here angles, they are infinite. So you can have it angles in point also. Order of rotational symmetry is also infinite. Please note, this is O. You rotate it by small degrees, you will see that it is always symmetrical. Then next alphabet is E. Please note, it does have 1. If you draw like this, if a horizontal mirror is kept, you will get the mirror image of it. So it does have a line symmetry, and number of line symmetry is 1. If you rotate it, you will get, every time we have a rotational symmetry, but the order of rotational symmetry is only 1. So here you will notice when it is rotated after 360 degrees, then and then only we are getting the rotational symmetry. And next alphabet is N. See, if you draw a line like this or like this, it does not have line symmetry. It does not have line symmetry. So number of line symmetry are 0. Now, but see, if you rotate it by 180 degrees, it does have a rotational symmetry, and angle of rotation is 180 degrees. Here 360 degrees. In case of E it will be 360, in case of N it is 180 degrees, and order of rotational symmetry is 2. Then next alphabet is C. In this case you will notice that if you draw like this, or if the mirror is kept horizontal, at the center you will see the mirror images of both the parts are mirror images of each other. So it does have line symmetry, and number of line symmetry is 1. Rotational symmetry, please note every letter does have a rotational symmetry, so it does have a rotational symmetry, but it will take the same position only after 360 degrees. It means order of rotational symmetry is only 1. So please note here, at least 1 is the rotational symmetry for every figure.